Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and to this video I'm going to show you on how to make your internet private network on Windows 11 laptop. So let's very first thing you need to do is to make sure you connect to your PC internet. Having connected to your PC internet, next thing you want to do is to simply come down below right here. Simply click on your Wi-Fi icon, and this is going to load up. Next thing you want to do is to simply navigate to network and internet settings. So click on that. It's going to load up like so. As you can see right here, this network here is in public, which means that nobody will be able to have access and connect to my PC. Now, for you to switch back to private and make people to connect your printer and the light, what you need to do is to simply navigate to properties. So under the public section right here, your PC is hidden from other devices on the network and can be used for printer and file sharing. That is for public. But if you switch back to private, for a network you trust, such as at home or work, your PC is discoverable and can be used for printer and file sharing if you set it up. What you need to do is to simply click on private. This will enable all your household, your office, or your place, or your site, or anywhere you want to share your data or you want to share the internet with them. It will enable them to connect with your internet. You can also connect your printer and share file as the case may be from one internet data to another internet PC. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply make your internet data or make your internet a private network without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.